Hello and welcome to Second Chance Jungle and welcome to my greenhouse. I'm Ricky and this is just a small series step by step showing what to do when you buy a brand new plant and you bring it home. So this is episode 1, and in episode 1 I'm going to be explaining what to do when you buy a brand new plant. So this mini-series is in my words, from my experience as what I've learned from growing all these plants. And it might not work for everyone, but it works for me and I want to pass on that knowledge. Alright, so episode 1, you've just brought a brand new plant and you've brought it home. This is my brand new plant today, the silver satin. Look how cute this thing is. So you've just brought this brand new plant, you've brought it home and it looks absolutely stunning. And you go online to look at what I do to it and you see a whole lot of conflicting different articles on repotting it, fertilizing it, how much water, how much sunlight, and what do you do with that? Now my suggestion has always been when you buy a brand new plant, take it home and put it in a nice sunny area, like just a corner next to a window, but with a sheer blind. You want something that's going to protect it from any sort of direct sun, and leave it there on its own for a couple of weeks. I'd even say a month. Just leave it, give it a little bit of water. If it's dry, you can feel this, you can feel the soil just to check, but that's pretty much it. Don't fertilize it, don't overwater it, just give it a nice bit of indirect sunlight through a sheer blind, and don't put it next to other plants for now, and I'll explain why. So my first suggestion is isolation, and I know this word brings a lot of trauma to us that, went through COVID, so it's okay, there's nothing going up our noses, it's for the plant. And the reason why is because a lot of these plants are mass produced in huge nurseries where they're just potted and sent out, and they're not checked, they're not looked at, there's just no real care for them. They're just sent out knowing that they're going to get sold. And because of this, unfortunately, a lot of the plants come with a pest on them, mealybug, scale as an example. And for anyone that's new to plants and brings them home and brings that into their homes, it's really hard to get rid of once it's onto all your plants. So I suggest isolating your plant in a corner, nice and sunny. Just isolate it so that you can check it over the next couple of weeks just to make sure it doesn't have any scale or mealybug on it. For anyone that's not really sure on what to look for, here's some photos of what mealybug and scale look like. So this one's mealybug and this one's scale. And they're the real main culprits when you get new plants that are in mass-produced nurseries. But don't worry, because I will have some videos in the future on how to deal with mealybug and scale. All right, so that was my quick episode number 1 on what to do when you buy a brand new plant. Really nothing. You just bring it home, stick it in a nice corner, check the soil. You can do that with your finger. Just feel, is it moist, is it dry? If it's dry, give it a little bit of water, not too much. And if it's moist, don't even bother. Just stick it in a nice corner and let it sit on its own for a couple of weeks. All right, so episode 2 will be what to do after the isolation period, and I'll see you there. So I really hope you enjoyed this one. These are short little episodes on what to do when you buy brand new plants. Please like, follow and subscribe. Thank you and have a lovely day.